Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we are going to take another look at MGO Global Inc., ticker symbol MGOL. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, folks, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. And we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called 4 100% plus runners and 5 other large runners for our private Discord members yesterday, which is Friday, August the 2nd, 2024. Here are the top 3 100% plus runners. We called VSEE pre-market yesterday for our Discord members before it ran up 204%. MKDW was also called pre-market yesterday before it ran up 164%. And OSTX was also called pre-market for our private Discord members before it ran up 163%. We are just made different. This is what we do, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with MGO Global Inc., ticker symbol MGOL, which is headquartered in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. It's a publicly traded advertising company with a $4.78 million market cap and 20 employees. Now, MGO Global Inc. operates as a lifestyle brand portfolio company. The company is involved in fashion design, brand development and management, sourcing and manufacturing, licensing, IP protection, corporate finance, consumer engagement and experience, e-commerce, retail sales, and marketing activities related to the Lionel Messi brand. MGO Global Inc. was founded in 2018. Now, the price action on MGOL stock was pushed upward 43% yesterday in after hours with no recent news. The company's last reported news was in mid-July when they reported positive earnings. We even released a video on MGOL on June 30th, 2024, with respect to those published earnings that were expected. Now, the float on this stock is 737,000, and the volume traded today was 1.7 million. The stock chart action is currently forming a bull pennant, and the stock needs volume confirmation for validation. We will be keeping an eye on it. Now, as we said earlier, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but We share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, MGO Global Inc., ticker symbol MGOL, is a publicly traded advertising and lifestyle brand company that's in the communications sector, and the stock ran 43% in after hours yesterday with no news. MGOL is a company we will be watching because with the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic scalp trading. Will MGOL run parabolic? It'll need volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we would actually scalp trade this stock. This is not advice. We are not pros, folks. It is just my opinion, and I will have MGOL on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I will see all of you again on the flip side.